In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Zombotron Re-Boot on your phone. So Zombotron Re-Boot is a remaster of original Zombotron Flash game series with an updated graphics and improved physics engine and new incredible rich effects. So in order to download this game, first of all what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open Play Store on your phone. After that, you're going to tap on the search box and type in here for Zombotron Re-Boot and then search for it. Once you get your game on the screen, you're going to tap on that. If you scroll down, you will be able to see here some more information about this game and also read out some of their reviews. So to install your game, you're going to scroll it back and then you're going to tap on install. After that, you're just going to wait until your game has been installed. And once it's done, you can just tap on play to start playing your game.